Welcome to a world of awe-inspiring technology and innovative gadgets that are set to transform your daily life. Join us on our channel as we unveil the latest advancements that will leave you spellbound. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay informed about the groundbreaking inventions. Introducing the ultimate crystal dice tower that will elevate your board game sessions to a whole new level of excitement. Assemble it in a breeze without the need for glue. And watch the dice take a thrilling ride down the spiral staircase, creating a satisfying sound. No more cheating! Introducing the Whisk Wiper, your ultimate solution for cleaning whisks effortlessly after cooking. No need to struggle with hand washing or waiting for the dishwasher. With a few easy swipes, this handy tool will clean your whisk in no time. Just rinse the whisk, apply soap, and use the Whisk Wiper to remove any debris or food residue. It's a quick and efficient way to get your whisk ready for the next task, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Introducing the Crawler Robot, a versatile machine for exploration. It can ride on walls and ceilings using magnets, dive up to 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes, and handle obstacles like stairs and rocks. With a weight of 25 kilograms, it runs for 2 to 3 hours and offers a speed of 2 kilometers per hour. Control it via iOS or Android smartphones. Extensions available including cameras and arms. A powerful tool for exploration and problem solving. Introducing a unique recreational drone with a forward swept wing. This version boasts a Cobra brushless motor and a 7000 mAh battery. While it requires assembly, it's light enough for manual launch, features vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, and captures spectacular videos during flight. Experience the thrill of aerial cinematography with this exceptional drone. Discover the captivating world of our heat-powered kinetic sculpture featuring majestic dragons. Their mesmerizing movements are controlled solely by the heat from the flames. Assemble the parts, set the desired flight altitude, and watch the magic come alive. Crafted with galvanized steel, these dragons shine like Valyrian steel, adding an enchanting touch to any space. Unleash the beauty of these dancing dragons in the flickering glow and be captivated by their mesmerizing performance. Introducing the lightweight thermal vision monocular, a mere 170 grams in weight and easily fitting in your pocket. Despite its small size, it boasts incredible power, allowing you to spot foxes and squirrels up to 90 meters away. With a remarkable battery life of 5 hours, the camera activates in just 5 seconds, operating smoothly between temperatures of -20 to +40 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for all seasons. This user-friendly tool is perfect for those new to thermal technology. Additionally, you can capture thrilling videos or photos and instantly review your footage on the built-in 640x4 racy display. Introducing the revolutionary OPOLAR cordless air duster, a game changer for home cleaning. With its powerful 6000 mAh battery and incredible 33,000 RPM air blasts, you can clean anything from keyboards to gaming controllers effortlessly. Say goodbye to compressed air cans and save money in the long run. Stay fully charged with the 10-watt fast charger included. Get ready for a new era of cleaning convenience with the OPOLAR cordless air duster. Introducing the Ugreen multi-angle stand, the perfect solution for propping up your phone or tablet anywhere you go. Tired of makeshift phone holders? This compact device fits all iPhone, Android phones, iPads, and tablets, offering a stable and reliable stand. Crafted with durable steel gears, the hinge ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion for years to come. No more hassles with finding props, just fold it away and carry it in your pocket or laptop bag. Enjoy hands-free convenience with the Ugreen multi-angle stand. Introducing Nimble, the compact 2-in-1 device that safeguards your hand from paper cuts and effortlessly opens packages. With a blade discreetly housed at the tip, it slips over your fingertip like a thimble for easy handling. Whether it's mail, wrappers, or food containers, Nimble simplifies your daily tasks. Compact and versatile, it's a must-have tool for convenience.